Hey everyone, okay, so let's talk about sunscreen, or as the brand Ultra Violette likes to call it, Skinscreen, which is actually honestly quite a good name because this stuff doesn't just protect, it actually feels like skincare. Now, I've been testing this one, Ultra Violette, great name by the way, love the name, and I really like it. It's broad spectrum, it's lightweight, it sits beautifully under makeup, it doesn't ball up or make you look like you've just dipped your face in lard, which, let's be honest, a lot of sunscreens do. Now, full transparency, it does have a smell, and I'm not in love with that. It's not horrible, it's not offensive, but it's there. Synthetic kind of fragrance, not something gorgeous like vanilla or chocolate, just synthetic. You know when you put something on and you go, it's that. But I forgive it because the formula is excellent. And here's the thing, if you're not using SPF every single day, then everything else you're doing to your skin, you know, the serums, the moisturizers, the eye creams that cost more than your car insurance, they're all fighting a losing battle. Sun damage is the #1 cause of premature aging. I mean, I'm 82, even in the UK, even when it's cloudy, even when you just pop into Tesco. UV rays, the aging ones, they don't care about the weather. They will go through clouds. They will go through glass. They go through your wishful thinking. And they're the ones that cause pigmentation, fine lines, sagging, uneven skin tone, all the things we're trying so hard to fix. So, SPF every morning, after moisturizer, before makeup, no excuses. And this one from Ultra Violette is brilliant. It absorbs quickly, doesn't mess with your base, and it gives you a really nice finish. Not matte, not greasy, just healthy, which is what you want your face to look like really. So if you're serious about keeping your skin looking younger for longer, don't overthink it. Just start with sunscreen. And this is a very good one. Smell aside.